Hello, this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I'm Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Floetrol Studio Gallery. And I'm going to use Colourarte colors starting with some Indian Spice. Am I? No, I'm going to start with some Decoart Americana silver. Let's see how far I can spread it. Doesn't have to be perfect, but I'd like it to cover. That could be an issue. The good thing about the silver is it's mixed with Floetrol, which means chances are good it'll level out. I am going to use some Tuscan gold. This is Indian Spice, it's a Prizm pour. The Tuscan Gold was a Vivid Intense. Well, I thought I wanted to put gold over here, but I think I'd prefer silver. I think I'll have to do everything twice no matter what. Okay, I'm back and it's dry, and also in between I added another layer of silver and it still didn't cover to my satisfaction, so we're going to try and camouflage it and we're going to use it anyway. And I'm thinking that I'm going to go with the grain, because if I go up and down then I can go across and put my marks in sideways. I'm going to start with some shiny taffeta, although I have a smaller container of it, maybe I can use that. Figure out how many rows of anything I want to do. This is golden maple, this is a primary element. Gold, which I think the tip is kind of large, so I better be quick about it. I wanted to use orange, but my experience recently with using orange was that it left behind trails of color. So now I'm going to try the silver. I don't think I used the Emperor's Gold either, but I don't think this is the... Well, you know what? Yeah, I'll wait. Maybe I'm going to use the Emperor's Gold. Okay, that's kind of cool all on its own. I'm still going to do a weaving. Where to start? That's the question. Ooh. Start by moving that into a position it belongs in. Gosh, I don't even want to do anything to this. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpbgallery and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linktree, you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. I'll do something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genre. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.